that we have a new #1 this year, a brand new and very worthy winner of the title of the San Pellegrino World's Best Restaurant 2013. But hold back for a minute while we introduce the presenter of this award from San Pellegrino. Please welcome the President and CEO, Stefano Agostini. Ladies and gentlemen, we have got a family restaurant that's conquered the world from truly humble beginnings, where three brothers have pooled their individual skills to create a uniquely warm and wonderful dining experience. It gives me great pleasure to announce that the restaurant at #1, the Aquapana Best Restaurant in Europe, and also the San Pellegrino World's Best Restaurant 2013, is El Celler de Can Roca. Joan, Joseph and Jordi, the Roca brothers, congratulations.
Many thanks to Restaurant Magazine and to all our jury members for belief in our project. We don't know if we are the best restaurant, but can you be sure we will continue working with authenticity, generosity, hospitality, and clear commitment with creativity. It's an honor to share the history of the list, the restaurant magazine, with the great restaurants like Per Se, Fadak, El Bulli, and Nomo. We dedicate this award to our family, to our team, and especially to Pau Alborna. Thank you so much.